Hi, I'm Vidya. Welcome to the Edu Bulletin. Let's dive into today's educational news. CBSE opens application portal for Class 10 students to obtain scanned copies of evaluated answer sheets following the second board examination 2026. Applications for scanned copies open till 9 August, while the verification of marks and re-evaluation process will be conducted from 16 August to 19 August through the board's official portal. CBSE, in collaboration with the Center for Creative Learning, IIT Gandhinagar, launches 3030 Eklavya National Online Series on Computational Thinking, Artificial Intelligence and STEM for teachers and students of classes 6 and above. Its session program begins on 15 August, offers CBSE CPD credits for teachers and aims to build AI literacy, critical thinking and problem-solving skills through inquiry-based learning. CBSE announces results of Skill Expo 2026-27 regional events held across 10 cities. Winning schools from 8 regional offices qualify for the national culmination event scheduled tentatively for January 2027, with separate intimations sent to selected schools indicating the names of the participating students along with their respective mentors. CBSE announces offline capacity building programs on the NCERT Kaushal Vikas textbook for Class 9 teachers at Gurugram, Amritsar, Chandigarh and Delhi on 8 August 10, 11 and 13 respectively. Schools directed to ensure teacher participation to strengthen the effective implementation of the new skill education curriculum, with training provided free of cost. UGC NET June 2026 evaluation faces delay as the provisional answer key remains pending more than a month after the examination. PhD aspirants express concern over admission deadlines amid continued uncertainty over NTA's result timeline. Bar Council of India orders nationwide physical inspection of law colleges to verify infrastructure, faculty and academic standards, warns universities against paper compliance, fake records and impermissible weekend, evening and shift-based law courses, directing strict action against institutions violating legal education norms. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the Edu Bulletin. Save the number 721-707-0100 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.